Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. So with the weather getting warmer now, I definitely feel inspired to create more colorful eye looks and experiment with graphic liners. So that's what I plan on showing you guys to... Wait, hold on. I'm getting a notification from my phone. I always mean to turn off the notification, sorry. Okay, change of plans. First off, my hair is a mess. My outfit is not professional. I feel very panicked right now after seeing that message. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys my step-by-step prioritized everyday makeup routine, especially if you guys face a situation like this. So yeah, if you guys want to see me go from this to this, then stick around and watch the tutorial. And side note here, but anytime I'm in a rush and I'm feeling panicked, I start thinking about this particular song.
I'm out of time and all I got is 4 minutes, I'm out of time and all I got is 4 minutes.
Oh boy, here we go again.
Come on, boy, I've been waiting for somebody to pick up my stroll. Well, don't waste time, give me a sign, tell me how you wanna roll. I want somebody to speed it up for me, then take it down slow. There's enough room for both. Well, I can handle that, you gotta show me where it's at. Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? If you want it, you're ready, got it. If you thought it better be what you want. If you feel it, it must be real, just say the word and I'ma give you what you want. Time is waiting, we only got 4 minutes to say the world.
Alright, stop. You're already in a time crunch. Why are you singing a song? You should be launching straight into the makeup tutorial. Sorry, I don't know what always gets into me. I always seem to go off on tangents. Tell me about it. Yep, you do go off on a lot of tangents. But anyways, if you guys want to see how I created this quick and easy look, especially for those last minute Zoom calls, then stick around and watch this tutorial. Okay, so the first step that I usually take is I start off by prepping and priming my face, which involves applying sunblock. So I use Neutrogena, and I'll go ahead and link all the products in the description box below. So yeah, definitely check that out. And also apply it to the neck as well, just to fight, signs of aging and protect your skin against the sun. So after that, I go ahead and apply foundation. I use the Lancome Teint Idole in Buff 6, which is a color that I find closely matches my skin. And I go ahead and smooth that all over the skin. After that, I go ahead and start priming my eyes and applying the eyeshadows. So I would first start off by priming my eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Faced White Chocolate Bar palette. It also has like a lot of great, well, like this side has a lot of great everyday eye shades. So I'm going to be using the Too Faced White Chocolate Bar palette today, and I'm going to start off by applying a foundational base shade all over the lid of Cake Batter. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply Guilt Free. I'm going to do like a vertical gradient style, so I'm going to do Guilt Free as a medium transitional shade, and then Smoke Sea Salt for the darkest and deepest shade, closest to the lash line. Bring some of the Smoke Sea Salt shade to my lower lash line as well. And just to really make my eyes pop, I'm going to go in with Exotica, which is a champagne shade, and just highlight the inner corners as well as the inner thirds of the lid. And this step is purely really just if you have enough time, but just to make, I feel like just to illuminate and further highlight the eyes, I like to use a Stila Shimmer and Glow in Kitten. Let's go ahead and blend out the shades. And then now I am going to go ahead and take my Urban Decay 24/7 eye pencil and stash, and I'm just going to define my lower lash line. And in terms of priority, I definitely prioritize eyeliner over mascara. I think eyeliner definitely really wakes up my monolid eyes. And yeah, sometimes if I'm like in a super big time crunch, I will just skip mascara and just do like some eyeshadow and some eyeliner. I'm going to go ahead and trace over the liner with my Urban Decay 24/7 eye pencil and stash. And I used to not really understand why I like to do this. Actually, it's kind of like faking a crease a bit. So for the lashes, I'm going to be using my Shiseido eyelash cover and the Lancome Hypnose in waterproof. And I'm definitely not good enough at falsies that I could apply them in such a short, rushed amount of time, but I know a lot of beauty bloggers are able to, and total props to them for being able to do that. I have total magic style. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and apply some blush. I'm going to be using my Too Faced Sweetheart Perfect Blush. Then I'm going to also apply some highlighter. I definitely think Too Faced Diamond Light Highlighter is better than the prismatic one, and recently I've been using the Lancome Les Absolute Rouge in Rose Amnesia. If time permits, I do draw in my eyebrows, but in terms of priority, it's really my last priority. I think it's just because I'm not super good at drawing in my eyebrows. I'm just going to go ahead and take my Too Faced Chocolate Brownie eyebrow pencil, and I'm just going to go ahead and fill in my eyebrows. So there you have it. This is the finished look for like a rush morning everyday makeup routine. And let me finish off the look with an outfit change and do my hair a bit, because this is clearly not going to fly for a Zoom call, so be right back. Outfit is changed, and if you're curious where my outfit's from, if you hadn't noticed the pattern that from my previous video, it's also from Loft. This is really pretty flowy. I love the puff sleeve detailing from Loft, and it's like a romantic flowy top. So these earrings are super cute, also from Loft. And so yeah, usually if I'm in a rush, I just quickly change into a top that I feel like is appropriate for work, a fancier top rather than my sweatshirt I was wearing before. And then for my hair, I usually just let it down and I'll put some serum in it. So currently I've been using Kiehl's Silk Groom Serum. It's alright, I'm not super loving it. I usually apply a bit of the serum. I run my fingers through my hair. Recently, I've been using clips as well, so also from Loft, and I'll just like clip my hair away so that it looks semi-neat and presentable. But yeah, so really this is it for my super rush morning routine everyday makeup look. I think it's a great like fresh look that makes you look put together, especially for your last minute Zoom calls. Yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more content from me. Thanks for watching. Bye.